I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby.
Okay, yeah, so for this hairstyle, I'm trying to use all Cream of Nature products because, you know, mostly products that from the same brands are the products that work best together. Let me zoom out. I'm a bit... There you go. So I'm going to be using, for my leave-in, I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Leave-in Conditioner. This is what it looks like. It smells so amazing. Like, I'm a fan of the smell of things, so that's a good smell. So I'm going to be using also the Cream of Nature with Moroccan Argan Oil Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Mist. So this is going to be replacing my oil in my lock treatment. So this is going to help my twist out, not pluck up with the humidity, even though there's not that much humidity because it's cold. And next I'm going to use for my styling pudding cream product. I'm going to be using Cream of Nature with Argan Oil for natural hair twist and curl pudding, which is this. And this is what it looks like inside. It smells like just like argan oil, and this is it. It's kind of like, it's not thick, well it's thick but it's not too thick, and it's not too thin. It's kind of like right in the middle, like a creamy texture. So I'm going to be using that. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So as you can see, I have freshly washed hair, so I co-washed my hair because I like kind of co-wash my hair every upper wash depending on what hairstyle I have. If my hair is just out, I just co-wash it and then wash it before I do like a proper protective style. It's all over the gaff. But I've kind of seen my hair growth watching my videos back, but like in real life I can't really tell. But yeah, I'm just waffling on. I'm just tired, you know, it's kind of late. So I'm going to be doing a side parting, which I usually do. So I'm going to just part my hair off to the side. So I always do it on the left side. I'll probably fix this up later, but for now this is what I'm working with. So I'm going to section my hair off. I'm probably going to start on the left section and just clip this side away. So I'm going to twist it so hopefully I can, you know, keep the moisture in there. Once again, sorry for this lighting, it's pretty dark outside even though it's not that late. So I'm going to start my lock method. So I'm going to use this conditioner. Got to shake it a bit. I'm a bit heavy-handed, but I'm going to try not to be because I want my hair to dry a bit faster. So this is the conditioner. It just smells like mangoes. I don't really smell the sugar in there, which is kind of good.
I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know.
Yeah, I'm gonna get this mist and just fix my hair.
Me and you, my baby. See now me and you, my baby. Oh yeah, baby, pass me your love, oh yeah.
So I'm just gonna show you a few twists on this side of my head, so you guys get an idea of how to do it. Like when I first heard about 3-strand twists, I was a bit skeptical and afraid, like 3-strand twist, my hands are automatically going to do braid, but I kind of watched a very good tutorial. I don't remember whose it was. If I do, I'll link it down below so you guys can watch that also. And yeah, I just kind of picked it up from there. So I'm just going to I'm gonna part a row like this. I'm kind of gonna do that medium size because I'm gonna have to wear my twist out tomorrow, so I want it to look, you know, appropriate. So just section off a small section over here. I'm gonna get my twist and curl pudding ready, and because this is such a small section, I'm only gonna take a smidge. Start from the bottom, make my way up, make sure this whole strand is nicely coated with the pudding. And now I'm going to separate the section into 3 as even as possible sections. For this area, it's not going to be the same length because my hair is not the same length over here, but this is as much as I'm going to get. So first I'm going to take this left section over here. So this is how I kind of tricked myself. So first you're gonna imagine that these two strands are one strand, and get this one strand as the other strand, so a normal twist, and twist it like this. So the left strand is going behind the right two, and then next you're gonna hold the left strand that you just crossed over, and then hold this strand, and then get the middle strand, which is now the left strand again, and cross it over once again, moving the middle strand into your left hand and that strand into your right hand, like so, and then get this last strand and move it back round. So just keep moving that left strand behind the other two strands, like so. So keep moving it behind the other two, behind the other two, behind the other two. So really all you have to do is move what's in your left hand backwards. I don't know if right-handed people would use their right hand, but whatever is your twisting hand, just move the far strand backwards. So if you're doing it the other way, move the right strand backwards. So you just keep doing it until you have no more hair. So I don't know if you guys could understand what I'm doing, but if you keep watching you kind of get the gist of it. Just keep doing it, and as I said before, because these strands are not the same length, I'm just going to do a normal 2-strand twist at the end, but this is the only place I'm going to have to do that for, so there you have it. So I didn't pull it tight because I was too busy trying to make sure you guys got it, but make sure when you do the first one you pull tight at the root so it's nice and tight, I guess. So I'm going to do 2 more for you guys to see, and some more just put in. I'm trying so hard not to be heavy-handed, but I like to feel the product in my hair, to feel that my hair is actually moisturized. So this is good enough. I don't need to use a comb because I already detangled my hair in the shower, but I'm just gonna finger detangle it a bit more to make sure all the knots are really out. And once again, I'm gonna separate my hair into 3 equal-ish strands. So this first section, this is 1 section, 2 section, 3 section. This first section is gonna go over here. So this is that section is over here, and you pull tight. So now this section is gonna go all the way to the right, pull tight again. And now this section is once again gonna go all the way to the right, pull tight. The far left section all the way to the right. The far left section all the way to the right. Far left section all the way to the right. This far left section all the way to the right. Far left section all the way to the right. So this is what you keep on doing.
Diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I'm gonna buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know.
And just curl the end, and there you have it. I didn't show you the other one, but here's the 2 twists like that, and they're pretty tight at the root. And there you have it. So I'm going to do 1 more for you guys. I'm not going to talk through this one. I'm going to let you guys watch, because sometimes my talking may confuse people because the way I understand things is not how everyone else does. So I'm going to do this one in silence. As you can see, I have some cut hair. I don't know how this piece of hair got cut. There's other parts of my hair that I know have got cut, but that part is a mystery to me. But you know, it's just hair at the end of the day. It's going to grow back.
I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl.
Okay, so there you have it. We've got 3. So this one I use a lot of product now. The white residue is showing, but when my hair dries, which who knows when that's gonna be, it all goes. So I'm gonna do the rest of my hair off camera, and then I'll either, depending on how dark it is, I'll either show you guys, come back and show you guys, or when I'm taking it out, I'll show you guys what they look like fully dried, and I will be back.
You find past your body, and I thank God for your mommy. And if you see the thing where she carry, She be the type of girl I want marry. I wanna marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that thing. Marry her because she carry that thing. See a loving girl, I need that. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby. I'm ready if you're ready. I'll let you if you let me. I'll hold you if you hold me, baby, baby. I don't go where the mole. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go where the mole. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. I don't go very mole. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I don't go very mole. Oh yeah, dance ya slow. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I'ma get you see I'm feeling you, oh. I'ma get telling me large, I come at your row. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. Now me and you, my baby. I might not buy you diamonds and gold, girl. There's one thing you know. Now me and you, my baby. See, now me and you, my baby. Oh yeah, baby, pass me your love, oh yeah. You dey drive me mad like damn for, yeah. Tell me, can I be your Emina, oh yeah. Mama, Jacob, baby.